and then releases your project releasing and new views. Okay. Observing this image will help to whatever the code we have to build, that code architecture. Okay, your final output, this image is final output image. Once we have to use this image, your code is successfully built. Okay, your code is successfully built. Observing that build. So your code is committing source code management. Once we have to use a build, and the next we have to use the deploy, and the next we have to use the test and promote. So these are the all stages your code was passing. Next we can moving on to promote the code. Okay, promote the code. Promote the code in the sense final stage. The final stage in the sense your code continuously working. Build stage is completed, test is completed, and deploy is completed. Everything is completed now. So your code is completely final promoting the code stage. This is observing the this is red color. Okay, red color is errors. Okay, how to identify the error? How to observing the suppose first this is the step. First column you can observing that we try the download. So first you have to code commit and 6 seconds we have to dig the window. And first and second and third and fourth, these are the all cases we have to pass it. And the next case is error. What is the error? Some deploy error. Okay, and the third case we can continuously pass it. And what is the fourth case? This case is completely and like a test case error. This next two cases deploying and distribution is done. Okay, this is a red color is errors. Okay, so there are the stages of course. Okay, once we have to use the code and multiple stages like code stages. Build is a one stage, test is a one stage, deploy is a one stage. There are the multiple stages is available into application. After that, see this build, compile the package or build source code and ambient package, right? This command. Run the automated testing such as the unit test cases, integration to test validate the code. So validate the code and you can give the configurations. Deploy validate the application to stage in production environment. Okay, next other one stages. Check out. Retrieve the last code version control system. VCS and Git also we have to use. Post build notifications. Send alerts and clean workplaces and HO articles. Okay, and these are the applications we have to use, and these are the all stages we have to use. And first we have to go to, I want to stop the server. Okay, I will close here. Now EC2 server here, and see this Jenkins download. The Jenkins project produced two release of this table. LTS means LTS. LTS means long time supported version. Okay. So what is the versions and what is the differences like? Differences the versions is once we have to use the long time supported version, up to 4 5 years onwards we have to support it. Otherwise, we have to take weekly releases also deployed. Weekly release in the sense in every week some versions was released. Okay, weekly some like errors also there. Long time means is officially released and at the same time it is stable. Okay, and constant. These are the lab. The ones we have to in designing and deploying and testing of the versions in lab. In every medical side, in the blood tests and like different kind of tests also there, and we can test the reports in blood in every one lab, right? Different kind of diagnostics, right? And at the same time, in every work, okay, work patterns and operators, every everything. One lab also there in US, I think. In DevOps lab also there. In every version, once we have to deployed manually and once we have to deploy automatically, the codes like a versions, Java related, everything. So it's a releasing. First we can check the lab, okay, and after that we have to deploy the code into like a normal conditions, like we'll release the Google pages, like a different kind of work tools. Okay, suppose we have to Jenkins already tested. Okay, Jenkins already tested and released. So how to release, how to announce the details once in a, actually at the same time, once the every version we can select and we can check the lab, and after that outputs was released. So that is a long-term support. Release baseline chosen every 12 weeks from stream of regular releases. And every 4 weeks releases stable releases which including of the security fix backups. So everything we have to release from before we can check. So how to download the Jenkins? There are the multiple patterns also available in installing the Jenkins purpose. And so first we have to download the Jenkins. There are the multiple flavors of platforms also there. Not only you and me, all the domain people, like all the domain people means testers, engineers, testers, Java developers, and all the domains. Okay, not only you and me, everyone is DevOps engineers, or it's not. All the domain people also we have to depend upon in Jenkins. Jenkins is a big tool. Okay, cloud tool. What is the cloud tool? AWS. What is the deployment tool? Jenkins. What is the continuous integration, continuous delivery available? And what is a test tool? Build. SonarQube. What is a build tool? Maven. What is a distribution management artifact deployment tool? Nexus. What is a deployment tool? Tom and Docker and Kubernetes. There are the multiple tools, right? At the same time, the Jenkins is a integration, download, deployment, flavors of platforms. What is these two differences? So this is a long time supported version. This is a weeks releasing supports. Okay. So now these are the all flavors of platforms. Flavors of platforms in the sense different operating systems. See, this is a Red Hat Linux supported. This is a Fedora. This is a Windows. Directly you can download the Windows also. It is supported, but you can activate the Java. Okay, Fedora DBS, CentOS, macOS. Like these are the all related. Cloud also available. In the Jenkins deploying cloud, in the Jenkins with AWS cloud build with code deploy purpose also we have to use code deployments. Okay, this is the Jenkins contribution and code deploy purpose we have to use. Okay, code deploy purpose also we have to use. And see this image, just you can observe in this image. What to do? Developer. Okay, development, commit, build, test, stage, deploy. So this stage will do, right? So development, what is the development we have to do? Actually developer developed by the code, put it into GitHub account. Now we can moving into commit. This commit stage we have to code checking and code quality, everything we have to do, and the repository creation, upload the code, configuration done. Next we have to build. Build means we have to use the Maven, test, SonarQube, storage and deploying certificate. Next we can production. Right? These are the stages we have to do implemented. Right? Now today we have to create the Jenkins server. Okay, Jenkins. And the SonarQube is pending, guys. Actually the SonarQube server is deleted, unfortunately. Okay, we can configure that SonarQube also. Okay, and next the project servers is mandatory. Okay, in every servers we can create the one region. And now I want to do the technically creation. So I want to give the URLs. Okay. Guys, my page is visible. Yeah, it's visible. Okay. Guys, I will share the links and all those things. Everyone open the documentation. Okay. I will give some URL links of Jenkins. Everyone open the documentation. New document you can create and the